Imprimatura, which translates to first paint layer in Italian, is a technique popularized by the old masters during the Renaissance. As you can see on the left, Da Vinci's unfinished painting, The Adoration of the Magi, shows the use of this technique. Imprimatura allows you to establish tonal values before glazing color onto the painting. Here's how to do it. You'll need a canvas, a palette to mix your paint, palette knives and brushes, paint thinner. I'll use Gamsol, and you need clean and in a jar to wash your brushes. Oil paint. Earth tones are good for an imprimatura painting. I'll use raw umber and burnt sienna. Paper towels. Usually the heavy-duty ones are better for this. So, step 1 is mixing. I'm putting down my raw umber and burnt sienna on my palette and mixing them thoroughly. I will now add a couple of drops of Gamsol to increase fluidity and speed up drying time, since this will be our first layer. You want to mix until you reach an almost liquid consistency, so it's easy to spread and lift off your paint from the canvas. Step 2 is painting. Once you're done preparing your materials, you can begin your painting. I like to start toning the whole canvas with my mixture of oil and paint thinner. To create lighter values, I begin lifting off paint with my paper towel, where the light hits the most. I may also dilute the mixture with more Gamsol for some areas where I want the paint to flow even more. The imprimatura technique can better your work, since it is sometimes difficult to keep your lights and darks when going in with just color. Having just one tone makes it easier for us to see the values. The use of earth tones actually allows for a beautiful glazing of colors on top of the imprimatura for your second layer of painting. This technique is great because it literally paints a picture of what the final piece will look like. Once you're satisfied with your values, you've done it. You've finished your imprimatura and your first layer of your painting. Because of our mixture of paint thinner and oil, you will be able to move on to your next layer pretty soon, since it will dry faster than it normally would.